they used a 2-paragraph format. Then they used the second paragraph to simply describe the contents of the chapter. In this chapter, there are 6 sections. First, the research questions and hypotheses are provided. Second, the research design of the study is detailed. Third, a description of the target population is presented, followed by procedures related to data collection. Next, a detailed description of the instruments used in the study, and the chapter ends with a chapter summary. Okay, now, so that it's that simple. It's about a page and we're good. Okay, so that is how you write the introduction. You start off by reiterating the purpose of the study. You talk about why the study was conducted, and then you list the sections in the chapter. That's it. 3 things: A, B, and C. That's all you got to do. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay? So if you want to do them one at a time, then that's how you do it. Pause the video, go in, get your purpose statement, put it in your document. Next, you're going to write why you conducted the study. Okay? And then next, you're going to talk about the sections in this study. Okay? That's what you need to accomplish before you move on to the next section. Make sure this section is done. All right? If you have any questions, please let me know. Just leave a comment in the comment sections and I will respond. Okay? Below this video. All right. Let's move on to let's finish writing this section. Don't worry about editing. Just worry about the content. We're just trying to get the content in now, and then we will edit everything later. But I want to make sure you get all of the content in first. Okay? All right. Now let's move on to the next one.